here are my sheep, and they're trying to get into the chicken feed in there. And what happens is I put the feed in, and the sheep are smart enough to know that the feed's there. Chicken feed. They'll even eat the chicken feed. So it's a constant battle to keep them out of the chicken feed. They'll go into my bucket. You can't see from here, but I made a automatic chicken feeder with a 5-gallon bucket. Sorry about the wind, but apologizing for the wind in Chile is like apologizing for sunshine. Anyways, so the chickens are always trying to get in there, so we kind of block the door to keep them out. But let me show you my sheep really quick here. That one right there that's at the door is so fat she's ready to pop. She's probably going to have twins. It wouldn't surprise me if she had 10. Let me chase them out of there. Get out of there! Get out of there! Yeah. This, I said get out of there. This one right here, with the baby, that baby's probably about, 3 months old. Dandelion's what we decided to name the baby. I don't know why we named it, but we did. And she's there with the mother. As soon as that mother gets big enough, I'm gonna put her in the freezer. She's just too loco. These other two little ones are about a year and a half old. That fat one there, she's preggo. She's due to deliver today or tomorrow. We expected it to be today. And if you see way over there, try to get over there, is the other one. She had two little twin baby sheep last night, yesterday afternoon, little black sheep. Excuse for the bump there. I'll try to get in closer here in a minute. Well, there's Mama, the black sheep. She had two little babies sitting there beside her. See if I can't zoom in on them. There you go. Maybe, yes. Those are her little babies there. Two little black lambs. Let me go back out and I'll see if I can't get a little closer for you. There's Mama and the little lambs. Hope they're okay. They look alright. Yeah, they both move in their ears. I'll try to get a little better picture. Well, I don't want to scare them through the fence too much. Little baby lambs, just beautiful little black lambs. There they are, staying warm next to each other. I know one's a male, I don't know about the other one. Let's go see. And I'll come over there and take a look here real quick. Let's see what they are. Again, I apologize for the wind. But here in Chile, the wind just blows. And you see them there? Make sure they're in frame. They're just beautiful. The little tails wag when they're nursing. When they get milk, their little tails wag. There we go. Mother Nature at its finest. Always gotta love a baby. There you go. The little one's a female, the big one's a male. You know, they lay them out here in the dirt and dust and stuff. We don't bring our sheep in. Of course, we don't have anywhere to bring them in. So they get dirty right away, but that's the life of an animal on the farm. Okay, let's go look here at our other ones. Oops, sorry about the camera. And here comes the sun, so. Alright, thanks for coming to our channel. Chile Expat family, please comment, rate, and subscribe.